Hi everyone, I'm Ireneo Vergara Jr., BIT 3A Comtech Night. Today, I will make a reaction video about Lesson 1 and Lesson 2. The difference between microcontroller and microprocessor. What is microprocessor? Microprocessor simplifies consists of the processor, the arithmetic and logic unit, the instruction decoder, and a few registers which are used to store data for a mathematical and logical operation. What is microcontroller? Microcontroller includes a processor, the arithmetic and logic unit, instruction decoder, register, code storage space, flash memory or RAM, general purposes, input and output pins, timers, interrupt controller, serial communication module, etc. These are components of a microprocessor and microcontroller. Example: CPU, Central Processing Unit, input and output, bus, address bus and data bus, memory, RAM and ROM, timer, interrupt, serial port, parallel port. These are general purpose of microprocessor. CPU for computers, commonly known as RAM, ROM, input and output on CPU chip itself. This is the example of microprocessor. Microcontroller. Examples of microcontroller is Motorola 6811, Intel's 8051, Zilag's Z8, and PIC 16X. Examples of microcontroller: processor, arithmetic and logic unit, register. The differences between microprocessor and microcontroller. These are some of popular microcontrollers. Example: 8051, Microchip Technology PIC, Atmel EVR, Texas Instruments, MSP 430 16-bit. What is good learning? Good learning is immersing students in a learning experiences that allows them to deal with a problem, gaining higher order thinking skills in pursuing the solution. What does technology has to do with it? It helps us shape the new ways in which people are communicating, collaborating, operating, and forming social construction. New technologies, new learning. These technologies help us teach the world stuff in a new ways. They help us teach new stuff in a new ways. New technologies, new learning. These technologies help us teach the world stuff in a new ways. They help us teach new stuff in a new ways. Examples of technologies: digital gaming, social networking, simulations. Digital gaming simulations: purposeful, goal-oriented, role-based activity, fun. Social networking: we can post profile, photos, videos, chat, blog, connect with peers. Simulations are analogies of real-world situations according to the Prinsky as the recreate a modeled or modified version of a real-world situation. Why push this in the classroom? We need to push this in the classroom because the emergence of new technologies has been paralleled by the evolution of theories on cognition and learning. Why those strategies important? Strategy is important because simple learning can be accessed through various methods, but acquiring complex skills requires social interactions in situated contexts which allow them to see how the various parts of the process fit together. Evolution of microprocessors. In the lesson 2, I cannot easily understand because it is all about the history or evolution of microprocessor. I need to make a research about the history of microprocessor so that I can easily understand about the evolution of microprocessor. There is a lot of microprocessor in every history. They always evolve in every 3 to 4 years. But now I try to make a research about evolution of microprocessor. As I understand about lesson 2, it is all about the history of microprocessor and how it evolved or upgrade from the smallest bit to the highest bit. That is all my reaction about the lesson 1 and lesson 2. Thank you and God bless.